This is a really good example of how exactly not to send any email to anyone. So, what exactly is wrong with this email? Well, calling someone an admin, it's pretty spammy way to talk. It doesn't do anything to boost confidence. That's one of the reasons for why Google himself has said this message seems dangerous. Similar messages are used to steal people's personal data, avoid clicking links, download attachments, or providing personal information. Then calling dear is a bit stupid again. We have many high quality guest posts in sight. Our maximum websites doesn't make sense, are good traffic, high DR, high DA, fast Google index, admin post, instant publish post. It just doesn't even make any sense. This is not how you're going to close any clients in most cases, unless someone is sending a colossal amount of emails every day of the week. The chance of you even getting one a month is highly unlikely, unless you're sending, for example, versus 100,000 emails. And if you were going to send 100,000 emails, your account itself would probably get banned quite quickly. So this is completely wrong way to try and sell guest posts or try and get clients. If you're doing SEO right, you should be contacting people who actually have said they want what you're providing. That is the basic way to do it. If you want to promote your service and use something like AdWords or someone else, pay-per-click services to promote your service, if that's what you want to do. But contacting random people is not a good way to do it. It basically means you're more guaranteed never get sales unless you're going to do it in a big way. Anyway, that's all the video. Thanks and have a good week. Bye.